Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson number 8, Basic Computer Language. In our previous chapters, we have learned that computer is a highly versatile machine which helps in almost every type of problem. But still, it has a major limitations that it cannot do anything on its own. It works as per the instructions given by the user, and if these instructions are incorrect, it will produce wrong results. Moreover, these instructions must be given in a proper order. So in this chapter, we will start learning a computer language called BASIC, using which we can instruct the computer to solve the problem. Introduction. Computer is an electronic machine and it understands the machine language only. This machine language is very difficult to use and understand. Over the years, many computer languages have been developed which are very easy to use and can be quickly converted into the machine language. Some examples of these languages are BASIC, Java, C, C++, COBOL, etc. BASIC is one of the most commonly used computer languages for the new learners. Now, what is BASIC? BASIC full form is Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It's a programming language which is mainly used for the beginners to teach them how to write a computer program. A computer program is a set of instructions arranged in a sequence to produce useful results. The users who write computer programs is known as programmer. There are many different versions of basic language like GW Basic, Basic A, Q Basic, Gambus, Basic 256, etc. Here we will learn how to use Basic 256 for writing computer programs. Now, Basic 256. Basic 256 is an easy to use version of Basic, which is designed to teach basics of computer programming in to these school students. It produces easy to use IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, with built-in graphic modes to draw pictures on the screen in minutes, and a code writer to write and edit the computer program. Start Basic 256. Now to start Basic 256, first you have to click on Ubuntu button at the top of the launcher to open the dash. Then type Basic 256 in the search bar. The Basic 256 icon appears. Click on the Basic 256 icon. Now the 256 window will appear on the screen. The main components of Basic 256 code editor window are menu bar. There are 5 menus, that is File, Edit, View, Run and Help in the menu bar, which provide access to various commands. Toolbar. The commonly used menu commands can be accessed in the form of tool buttons from the toolbar. Program area. This area of the Basic 256 window is used to write or modify the basic program. Text output area. This area shows the result of your program in the form of words or numbers. Graphics output area. This area shows the graphical output produced by our programmers. Now, Basic 256 commands. Every computer language has its own set of commands which are used for writing the computer programs. Basic 256 also has a set of commands which we use for writing the statements of our program. So let us first learn some basic 256 commands for making simple programs. REM, R-E-M. It stands for remark, that is comment. The basic command is used to add some useful comments in the program like program name, functions of variable parts of the program, etc. The text followed by the REM command is ignored when running a program. Example, REM, this is my first program. CLS. CLS stands for Clear Loaded Screen. This command clears the text output area of basic 256 before showing the result of our program. This command can be used anywhere in the program without any parameter attached with it. The output displayed before this command gets cleared from the output screen. Print. This command is used to show the text or numbers in the text output area. If you want to show some text message in the output area, you can write it with the print command by enclosing it with the double quotes. Print and double quotes inside that text message. Example, print. This is my first basic program in double inverted quotes. Will show the message in the text output area. You can also print command to do the calculations. Example, print 50 plus 60 will show the output result as 110 in the text output area. Say. This basic 256 command is used to read the text or numbers allowed on the computer speakers. Example, say, inverted commas, hello friends. We'll read the text hello friends on the computer speakers. You can also use these commands to make talking calculator as it reads the result of mathematical calculations on the computer speakers. Example, say 12 plus 2 into 36 will read out the result 84 on the speakers. My first basic program. As of now, we have learned few of the basic 256 commands. Let us now learn to use these commands for writing our first basic program. That is, start basic 256 and write the following statements in the code window or program area. In the program area, write REM, my first basic program, then CLS, print in double inverted quotes, write hello world. Then the next line, say in the two double inverted quotes, write hello world. In the next line, write print double inverted quotes, write how are you. Next line, write say the two double quotes, write how are you. For executing the programs, now after typing the above code in the program area, to get the output of your program, do any of the following, like click run button on the toolbar, or you can also use click run option in the run menu, or you can also directly press F5 function key on the keyboard. The above program will write the two lines hello world and how are you on the text output area, and we will read them on the speakers as well. Saving file program. You can also save your program for the later use like this. Click on file menu, select save as option to open save file as dialog box. Enter suitable file name in the name box, or you can also press Ctrl plus S to save the file. Choose the folder where your file is to be saved. Now click on save button. Once the program is saved, you can see the file name in the menu bar. An extension KBS is automatically added to the file name. Starting a new program. To start a new program, click on file menu and choose the new option in it, or click new button in the toolbar, or you can also press Ctrl plus and keys on the keyboard. To open an existing program, to open an program which was saved previously, click on File menu, choose Open option in it, or click Open button on the toolbar, or you can also press Ctrl plus O keys on the keyboard. An Open a File dialog box will appear. Now select the basic file to be opened. Click Open button. The program file will open in the program area. Now, storing the data values in a program. We have learned how to print the messages and numbers on the screen using print command. We can also do maths using print command, but we can do much more than this in our basic program. We can also store data values which can be processed later. Such values is stored in variables. There are two types of variables in basic 256. First, numeric variable. In this, number variables values are stored. Example, marks is equal to 50. And this marks is a numeric variable. Second, string variable. And this type of variable, text or character values are stored, which are enclosed in double quotes. Example, name dollar is equal to double to inverted commas Ravi Chang. Now dollar sign is used with the string variables. Rules for writing the variable names. It is always start with a letter. No basic command like print, say, etc. can be used in the variable name. Variable name is case sensitive. That is variable name dollar and name dollar. First name is in the capital form and second is in the small form. Are the two different variables. Let us now use these variables in the basic 256 program. First, to find the sum of numbers, that is 10 and 50. REM, sum of two numbers, NUM1 equals to 10, NUM2 equals to 50, sum equals to num1 plus num2. Print, in the double inverted quotes, sum of the two number is and semicolon. Print sum. Now, after running this program, you can see directly the output is sum of the numbers is 60. Now, the second program, to calculate the difference and product of two numbers. Program 2, to calculate the difference and product of two numbers. REM, to calculate the difference and product. Num1 equals to 20, num2 equals to 10. Difference equals to num1 minus num2. Product equals to num1 into num2. Say difference of these numbers is plus diff. Say product of these numbers is, in the two inverted commas, after that comma plus product. Here it will read out the result as difference of these numbers is 10, product of these number is 200. Taking data input using input statement. In our previous program, the fixed data values are stored in the variables and are used in the program. Basic 256 allows you to take these values from the user with the help of input command. Every time you can run the program, it provides the facility to give the results as per the numbers given by the user. The way to use input command is input in the two double inverted commas prompt, comma, variable name. Example, input in the two inverted double quotes, enter the marks, comma, marks. The statement will prompt a message, enter the marks on the screen, and will allow the user to store the marks value in the marks variable. Example, one program to calculate the sum of two numbers entered by the user. REM use of input statement. CLF input the two double quotes, enter the first number, comma 1. Input in the two double inverted comma quotes, enter the second number, comma 2. Sum equals to 1 plus 2. Print in the two double quotes sum of the two numbers is plus sum. Now it will give the output as a enter the first number, press 34, enter the second number, press 36, then sum of the two numbers is 70. Exiting basic 256. Once finished working with the basic 256, you can close it as follows. Click on File menu and choose Exit option in it, or you can also click on Close button on the left side of the menu bar in the basic 256 window. I hope you have understood this lesson, and thank you for watching this video.